Hello everyone, welcome to the online classes of St. Xavier's Public School. Now it's English time, so everyone get ready. Yes, okay, so let's start. So today we do after letters, okay? Here I give some after letters. So everyone tell with me. F after G, J after K, R after S, X after Y, K after L, I after J, A after B, M after N, E after F, P after Q, V after W, Y after Z. So everyone keep learning. Bye bye. Thank you.